Hi, my name is Carla Ellerby. I'm a communications consultant and copywriter based in Sydney. I left the corporate world and launched as a freelance small business at the start of the year. So as part of that, I wanted to learn more about SEO to not only improve the performance of my own new website, but also so that I could offer more value and expertise to my existing and future clients. Basically, I wanted to use my own site as a bit of a testing ground before I started to talk the SEO talk and deliver more value to my clients going forward. So I'd already come across Kate because I'm a member of her clever copywriting school, so I had every confidence in the quality of Kate's training and the support and the dedication and the laughs that she offers through her courses. I knew this course would be great value for money, and to be honest, it really didn't disappoint. While I kind of started off with white knuckles, clutched to my chair seat, terrified particularly about the technical aspects of SEO, Kate explained everything in terms that even my mum could understand. For me, the best part of this course is the fact that we have lifetime access. So just as the course kicked off here in Sydney, we were flung into lockdown and I had far less time to spend working on my website than I'd planned. So it's been a massive relief to know that I'll be able to dip back and access all the wisdom and the knowledge and continue my SEO journey at my own pace over the coming months and maybe even years. That said, even with the simple tweaks I have been able to make as a result of this course over the last 2 months, I've actually seen my website traffic more than double, which is amazing. Thank you so much, Kate.